चलिए तो इसको एक बार मैंने वीडियो पॉज करा था, सेकंड पार्ट में डिवाइड कर रहा हूँ ताकि वीडियो लंबा ना हो। तो अभी ये ओपन करके देखते हैं। इट्स वेरी प्रेटी नाइस। और चलिए तो इसको बाहर निकालें। वाओ, वेरी नाइस। इट्स ग्रेट कलर। This is very good quality. It's very premium quality. I absolutely this product very like reconnect Captain Marble reconnect pa. Wait, this is plug to collect lead. It's very zipper. Very nice. That's very nice. Focus on this. Oh, very nice. It's very wow. This is work it very nicely. Is collect to lead reconnect. This is menu, guard menu. About warranty card or guard menu, maybe warranty card. This one is warranty card, 12-month warranty. It's great. This is bill I collected. Okay, that let's check out this one. 2 type cable, USB and C type C. Here we go. It's very nice. Let's begin checkout. That's nice. Very nice. This is type C. This one is type C, and this one micro USB. It's very pretty nice. Very good quality. This is very good product. चलिए यो मैंने प्लग इन कर लिया है। देखते हैं अभी। ये मेरा सोनी का पोर्टेबल स्पीकर। इट्स वेरी नाइस क्वालिटी। आई लव सोनी प्रोडक्ट also. Let's check out, get this charging. This is my 15 watt charger. Mostly I use my 5 watt charger to use this charging. I put here. This is type C. Okay, done. I get this charging. Okay, it is work good. However, I used to this micro USB on my Ping power bank. I buy this in Malaysia. This is very good, nice product. It's almost 5 years gone ready. So I want to plug in this now charging. Oh, maybe you can't see this. Oh, that's very nice. It's very good working charging. It's good work. I am appreciate to reconnect product. It's very quality nice. Thanks for watching.